Following breaking news out of Birmingham, Alabama, where 4 people have been killed in a mass shooting. I'm Michelle Fisher.
And I'm Jory Rand. This shooting happening in the 5 Points South area, which is popular with restaurants, bars, and shops. The local newspaper there say witnesses say many of those victims were standing in line to get inside a popular hookah and cigar lounge on Magnolia Avenue. Birmingham Fire and Rescue apparently transporting 8 people to the hospital. Then others began flooding into ERs around the city. This again happening in a busy, popular Saturday night entertainment district in Birmingham. 3 of those victims reportedly died at the scene. A 4th was one of those victims taken to the hospital where they died as well. We will continue to follow this story and bring you the latest of the latest mass shooting we have seen here in the United States.
What's going on, World Chemo Home Friends podcast? Back at it again, talking this mass shooting that just recently happened last night in Birmingham, Alabama. Individuals was waiting at a hookah lounge to get into this popular club, and I think this very popular district in Alabama, and a very, very deadly incident happened. At first, they said a mass shooting, and of course we were thinking, of course, white people again, but this wasn't the case. It was 5 black males, I think, had a confrontation with someone else. I don't know what really happened, but they just proceeded to just unload on a crowd of people. They said 22 individuals was injured, 4 dead, 3 dead at the scene. 1 was rushed to the hospital. And this is very, very sad, man. Very, very sad. These 5 individual men just threw their life away just like that. Come on, black people, come on. Like, what's going on? Settle your differences like men. Talk about it. Let me calm down. Because to be honest, seeing this is like, I don't understand people, man. Why would you shoot into a crowd of people? You have guns. Guns kill people. And it's like no regard for innocent life whatsoever. You know what I'm saying? But hopefully Birmingham can get through this. I'm very happy these individuals got apprehended and they're going to get arrested. They need to be arrested. They need to go to prison for life or maybe the death penalty. Because I seen a young lady was a part of that. I think 3 males. And you have a lot of people that got rushed to the hospital that's in critical condition as well. Like, it doesn't make sense with what these people are doing because of little beefs that's going on. And I don't know, man. The internet era is ruining lives. Everyone has ops now. It's on site now. Very devastating, man. The whole community is devastated. You know what I'm saying? But I pray for the individuals that lost family members in this situation. A daughter's never going to come back home. Sons are never going to come back home. A father's going to be grieving. Mother's going to be grieving. Sisters, brothers, auntie, uncles are going to be grieving. Grandmothers are going to be grieving. Come on, y'all. We got to do better, man. We got to do better. You know what I'm saying? Sad, man. Chemo Home Friends. If you don't follow me, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Please comment. Love you guys. Very sad, man. These 5 individual black brothers just threw their lives away for nothing.